Parque Arvi, which is one of the main parks here in Medellin. If you want to go there, I mean, there are two ways. You can take the bus, or either you can just go and take the metro cable, which is this. You guys can see it there. So actually this station is called Acevedo, and in Acevedo you're going just to you're going to take the metro cable, and from here I think it's gonna be like 20 minutes, right? After that, what we're going to do, okay, so we're going to be there, and then we're gonna be paying the fee entrance for the park. One thing I also would like to say is that you guys, if you want to come here, like first you gotta take the metro, and the metro that costs more or less like 3,000 pesos, let's say $1. And after that, if you want to just take the coming here to Acevedo, you need to pay an extra fee, and that's gonna cost you like 11,000 pesos, which is more or less like $5, let's say, more or less, but maybe it's a little bit less. So yeah, just go, let's go, and we're gonna be heading to the place and taking this, you know, nice and really peaceful ride. So let me show you from there. Parque Arvi, so we are here in the cabin, which has the capacity of 5 persons. So here you can see a little bit around. So I just want to tell you that to take this metro cable, you need to step out in the station Acevedo. From Acevedo, you're gonna be heading to Parque Arvi, and you're gonna pay around like 11,000 pesos, which means around like $4 or $5. With these $4 or $5, you're coming here. So I just want to show you a little bit, like the nature. This is the station, and there you can do like a hike, or you can just, you know, walk around. It has different activities. So what we're going to see today here is what kind of activities we can do, if we can just go on a hike, or just, you know, go to some lakes or whatever. So I'm gonna be showing you a little bit because we're about to step out. Okay guys, so now we arrived here. This is Parque Arvi station, and you can see the metro cable and everything. So what we're going to do, we're gonna just be walking around a little bit. I don't know, maybe just taking a hike, drinking a coffee, or doing something like that. From here, what you can see, like, just let me show you a little bit. This is the station. That car which is coming here is what you gotta pay just for coming. As I say, like 11,000 pesos. It's pretty safe. It's a really nice ride because you're gonna be through a reserve, like a natural reserve, and this is the Parque Arvi. So Also, you know, like here we have some restaurants, we have some, this is like not a flea market but like food market and something you can sell in there. And yeah, this is Arví and we're gonna be exploring today, just telling you what you can do here around, what kind of food you can eat, what kind of, you know, touristic activity you can do in here. So as you can see, I love Medellin. It's a really nice place to stay. So let me show you a little bit around. I'm just gonna grab something to eat. I'm just gonna be telling you what exactly you can do it, so that I don't know, we're just gonna be walking and doing a hike. I know there are different things to do. There is what we call in Spanish mariposario, and this is where the butterflies are, you know, butterfly box or something like that. And the butterflies, they are like birding or something. I don't know how to explain that, but it's like mariposario. And from there, I think from here to there you need to take a bus. So I'm just gonna be checking out if I still have the time to go there. Right now it's like 2:30 in the afternoon, so let me show you a little bit. So look guys, this is the prices, and I'm about to eat papa rellena, which is like potato full with meat. Here I have just one. Also you can see like natural juices, you can get coffee, water, everything you want. So this is the papa rellena, full with onions, a little bit of meat, potatoes, and yeah, that's all. Just gonna be showing you a little bit more around. You can eat everything, you know. This is a nice market. It's like you supporting a little bit the farmers. They come here and you can get different kind of food, you know, like empanadas, fruits, juices, like some candies. So whatever you want, you're gonna get it in there, guys. So check, I'm trying to figure out where we are. Okay, so I think like this is the cable where we came, and yeah, now we're here. So what are we going to do? We're about to go to, I think, this laguna, which is a very nice place. So, or no, I'm kidding, we're going here in Balse Piedras Blancas. So as you can see, it's pretty important to use the mask to stay, like, you know, all COVID protections and everything. The place is just awesome, like weather is really nice, like I think it's not gonna be rainy. And guys, you know what we're going to do is just to take a bus. That bus is gonna be like 8 minutes from the lakes, so we're gonna be, you know, going around. Maybe we can go to this butterfly box that I said before, and yeah, so let's go. It's pretty sunny. I need my sunglasses, so see you in a moment. So we're about to walk to the bus. I think the bus is free, so I'm not gonna pay for those tickets, and yeah, it's gonna take me like 8 minutes from here to there, and then you're gonna see really nice lakes. You know, this plan is just, if you come here, it's very chill. Actually today is Monday, so I just decided to use a couple of hours for my afternoon. It's not far from Medellin. If you just stay in the bus station, or if you are in Medellin, it's gonna take you maybe 40 minutes just to arrive to Parque Arvi. And from here you can absolutely just do different kind of activities. First, you can bike. Also, you can bike. You can just do a hike. You can bike. You can hike. The hike is around like 3 hours, I think so. And also you can go to this other place, because now we are in Arví, but we're going to Piedras Blancas, and from there it's gonna be really nice, because there are some lakes, so maybe we can just jump in the water. Not to do. This is a really important archaeological place, so this is what also you can see in here. Arví is really nice. I think it's a really nice place just to come. You can see archaeological circuit, and the place itself is just beautiful. You're gonna find always this kind of flowers, because Medellin is represented by flowers. So I think you guys, or maybe for those who has no idea, we have a flowers festival, which is very traditional in here. And yeah, these are the, you know, like the place. Also, there's this really nice place that I would like to show you, and it's the coffee. It's the coffee, but right now I'm not gonna be drinking coffee. I'm just gonna be walking, and I think on my way back I'll be coming back here, so you can get some, you know, souvenirs and everything. So it's gonna be pretty nice. You can see tienda Parque Arvi. Hey guys, look, this is like a traditional house, an indigenous house, and I just want to show you how it's inside. This is the way it's supposed to be, where we do have like these indigenous communities. So in the middle you're always gonna get like, they can make a fire, and you know, it's always round or circle, because people, they are sleeping actually on the floor. Where indigenous communities, they don't have like the same kind of, you know, like beds or something like that. So this represents a really traditional house, like from an indigenous community. And yeah, this is the way. This is all this you're gonna find it when you are, meanwhile you are in Parque Arvi. So yeah, it's kind of tried to represent what the culture means. Like, hey guys, so okay, so unfortunately for me it was a little bit too late. And I couldn't watch. So we came more or less like at 2 p.m. and when you're coming at 2 p.m. here, it's gonna be too late if you want to go to some parks or you wanted to do some activities. So what we are doing right now is that we're gonna be heading and walking just to the park. Just let me show you a little bit. It's a really nice one, and they have like waterfalls, you know, it's very natural. So I'm gonna be just walking, guiding you through this. But if you want to come to Arví, you have two options. Either you go to Confenalco or you go to Confama. Those two parks, one of those, like the one I wanted to go, was the butterfly box or something like that. And that butterfly box, I think it costs you like, I don't know, 15,000 pesos, and from those 50,000 pesos you're gonna be doing a lot. So but just going there, it's gonna take you like 10 minutes. So it's good if you're coming very early in the morning, because you're gonna, you know, like do more stuff, just like have a look and you can walk around. In this case, we're gonna be walking. I'm gonna be showing you, you know, like what is walking around here, what to do in here. This is free space, so if you can just take a taxi from Arví to here, or you can walk, and the walk is around 1 hour and maybe 20 minutes. So with the taxi it's gonna be like less than 10 minutes, and here is gonna be. So let me show you just a little bit what I'm about to do. And yeah, this is actually pretty nice. I have been here, I think this is my second time here. So yeah, just gonna be showing you. Also, let's see if we can find something to eat. But look, if you wanna, actually you can jump in the water. You see there is people, they're ready to jump, and it's pretty cool. So you can come here, do a picnic, you can see trees. It's actually pretty worth it. I think I haven't spent less than $50. So if you wanna eat, if you wanna come here with tickets, metro cable and everything, it's gonna be around 70,000 pesos. Guys, look, so actually in here you're gonna get, you know, look, this beautiful waterfall. You can actually take showers in here, but not showers, but you can bath in here. But for me right now, water is pretty cold, so I wouldn't do it. But look, this is a beautiful walk you can do in here. You get the trees. And I can remember, you know, I know I was here once, but I actually can remember when exactly what I was doing. So yeah, you can actually get the whole view from here. It's really nice, really, I don't know, calm, relaxing. Just bring your bath suit and then you're gonna be swimming here. But it's pretty cool. I must, you know, just tell you guys, this is not hot water. pay for a taxi because of the time. I was a little bit in a rush, so I paid 10,000 pesos for the taxi, and after that, you can go and walk through the, to the places. There's like there is like a lake. There are some waterfalls. There is a picnic space just to go, and you can just make a hike. I think it's like 1 hour 20 minutes, and the waterfall is pretty nice. So now I'm here at the place. I'm just about to have this. This is granizado de café. And let me show you a little bit the place. It's really nice. You can just come, and you see there are really like typical stuff like hats and t-shirts and some ponchos, like these mochilas. And you can get in here like different kind of stuff, like jackets. It's a pretty nice store because you get like handmade stuff like this. So you are pretty welcome to come here. Like you're gonna get different kind of stuff, and the coffee is just, I think it's very beautiful, very warm, and yeah, I'm just about to get a coffee. So guys, highly recommended the place. If you want to come here for a hike, it's not expensive. I think you're gonna spend less than $50 in here, and those plans is just if you want to come for hiking, for biking, and also if you want to just go to one of the dynamic parks, so Confenalco and Confama. If you want to go there, just check that you're coming on time, that you have enough time so you can come here in the morning and spend the whole day. Also, if you want to stay here in Arví, there is like Piedras Blancas, and there is a hotel, so you can do a reservation and just stay there. It's just close to the lakes. So for now, guys, this is everything. Please don't forget to go and subscribe to my channel, Los Heidi, and on the box below I'm just gonna let my Instagram and everything. So see you, and to the next time.